Dear students, in this video I'll be explaining you the fourth poem of Honeycomb Chivy, composed by Michael Rosen. Michael Rosen was born in 1946 in North London, one of the best known figures in the children's book world. He is renowned for his work as a poet, performer, broadcaster, and scriptwriter. As an author and by selecting other writers' work for anthologies, he has been involved with over 140 books. Let us start the poem. Grown-ups say things like speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose. The poem opens with a long list of instructions. In all likelihood, these instructions are being issued by the adults to their young ones. Speak up, don't talk while your mouth is full of food, and don't pick your nose in front of others, and so on, are just few examples. Sit up, say please, less noise, shut the door behind you, don't drag your feet, haven't you got a hanky? Take your hands out of your pockets. In these lines, the poem continues with yet another set of instructions. Each and every activity of the young child is administered and put under the observation. For example, sit straight, say please before asking a favor, don't make noise, shut the door after getting inside the room, not to drag the feet, always keep a handkerchief with you, and never put your hand inside your pocket while talking to others. Pull your socks up, stand up straight, say thank you, don't interrupt. No one thinks you're funny. Take your elbows off the table. Can't you make your own mind about anything? In the third stanza, the final stanza of the poem shows that perhaps the young child has grown up. However, the adults around him continue telling them, but this time for a different reason. The child is unable to decide anything for himself. He is not certain about anything. It's quite ironical, as the entire childhood of this child was spent blindly following the instructions. So he has been told to pull up the socks, stand up straight, and to say thank you, and not to interrupt, and never think that he is funny. And while taking the dinner or the lunch, take off your elbows off the table, and then you can't make your own mind up of anything. He has been told various things by the adults. So in this poem, Chivy, it is a catalogue of various do's and don'ts that grown-ups dictate to young children. The adults constantly give them a list of instructions to the children, and about how to sit, how to talk, how to eat, and so on. The poem, however, indicates a passage of time when the young child has grown up and is incapable of taking a decision on his own. The same adult then chid the grown-up child for not being able to think independently. So this was all about the poem, and if you need to ask anything, you can message me on my number and I'll be definitely answering you. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.